The new Positioning SAP Business Suite via SAP Supply Chain Management Solutions exam is no longer about memorizing answers. You'll face AI-driven role-play scenarios where a stakeholder challenges your recommendations in real time. If you cannot position SAP Supply Chain Management Solutions like a real SAP consultant or pre-sales expert, you will struggle. In this video, you'll practice realistic scenario-based SAP exam questions and experience the new performance-based exam format. You'll learn how to understand customer pain points, recommend the right SAP SCM solutions, explain business value, handle stakeholder objections. This certification is designed for SAP sales and pre-sales professionals working on customer transformation projects. Let's begin with Scenario 1. Scenario 1. Global supply chain. Delays. You are an SAP pre-sales consultant. A global manufacturing company is experiencing delayed shipments, inventory visibility issues, poor demand forecasting, supplier disruptions. The client asks, which SAP Business Suite supply chain solutions should we prioritize to improve resilience and visibility? Pause and think like a real consultant. Candidate response. I would recommend a combination of SAP Integrated Business Planning, IBP, SAP Business Network, SAP Extended Warehouse Management, SAP Transportation Management. SAP IBP improves forecasting accuracy using real-time analytics and demand planning. SAP Business Network strengthens supplier collaboration and visibility across the supply chain. SAP EWM optimizes warehouse operations and inventory tracking. SAP TM improves transportation planning and logistics execution. Together, these solutions support supply chain resiliency and orchestration. The AI stakeholder responds, why should we choose SAP IBP instead of relying on spreadsheets and legacy planning tools? Consultant. Answer. Traditional spreadsheets cannot provide real-time predictive planning across global operations. SAP IBP uses real-time data integration, predictive analytics, scenario simulations, supply-demand balancing. This allows faster decisions during disruptions while improving forecast accuracy and operational agility. That's the type of business-focused explanation SAP expects in the performance-based exam. Scenario 2. Warehouse modernization. A retail company wants to modernize warehouse operations. Their challenges include slow fulfillment, manual inventory processes, high picking errors, lack of warehouse automation. The client asks, how can SAP Business Suite solutions improve warehouse efficiency? Candidate response. The best recommendation is SAP Extended Warehouse Management. SAP EWM provides real-time inventory visibility, automated warehouse processes, optimized picking strategies, labor management, integration with robotics and automation tools. This reduces operational costs while improving order accuracy and delivery speed. The AI stakeholder challenges you. How would you justify ROI to executives? Answer. I would position the ROI around reduced fulfillment errors, faster delivery cycles, lower warehouse labor costs, improved customer satisfaction, better inventory utilization. Executives care about measurable business outcomes, not just technical features. That mindset is critical for SAP scenario-based questions. If you want realistic SAP hands-on practice for the exam, check out certshero.com. You can practice AI role-play scenarios, SAP exam simulations, flashcards, and mock tests designed for the latest SAP performance-based exam format. Scenario 3. Supply Chain Transformation Strategy. A customer wants to digitally transform its supply chain operations across procurement, logistics, warehousing, and planning. The stakeholder asks, how does SAP Business Suite create an intelligent and connected supply chain? Candidate response. SAP Business Suite creates an integrated supply chain ecosystem through connected applications. For example, SAP IBP supports intelligent planning, SAP TM manages transportation execution, SAP EWM optimizes warehouse operations, SAP Business Network improves supplier collaboration. SAP Analytics Cloud enables executive visibility. Together, these solutions provide end-to-end orchestration across the supply chain lifecycle. The AI stakeholder asks, what business trend is driving companies toward supply chain orchestration? Modern supply chains face global disruptions, rising customer expectations, supplier volatility, demand uncertainty. Companies now require real-time visibility, predictive decision-making, cross-functional coordination, AI-driven insights. That's why supply chain orchestration has become a strategic business priority. To succeed in the SAP C_BCSBN exam, focus on business outcomes, speak like a consultant, explain why a solution matters, expect AI cross-examination, practice scenario-based communication. Remember, this is not a theory exam anymore. SAP wants proof that you can solve real customer problems. Today, you practiced supply chain resiliency scenarios, warehouse modernization use cases, supply chain orchestration strategy discussions, AI stakeholder cross-examinations. These are the exact types of SAP exam tasks appearing in the new SAP scenario-based certification format. For more SAP hands-on practice and advanced SAP exam simulation videos, check the playlist linked below. And if you want realistic AI role plays, flashcards, mock tests, and SAP scenario-based questions, visit certshero.com. Keep practicing consistently, think like a real consultant, and I'll see you in the next SAP certification training video.